One I want to talk about, a lot of people use Google, but not that many people use the advanced search. So I wanted to show you something which can show you the advantages of using that when you're doing Google. So let me click over to that real quick. All right. So I'm just going to do a quick exit. So let's say, for example, you're assigned to do something about the Haiti earthquake. So if I can type we'll type in Haiti earthquake. All right, and we come back with 16.4 million results. So how long will that take you to go through? Yeah, a couple of, in the next 6 months reading hits. That's a fine thing, but let's see what comes up first, right? So you've got a nonprofit, you've got Wikipedia, God love them. You got a couple of CNN hits. So the thing is, you know, the way Google works, of course, is the things that come up on the top are one of two things. They're either the most popular sites, or increasingly, they're companies that have made a financial arrangement with Google to get stuff to come up at the top. And so, just because something shows up on the first page of your Google search doesn't necessarily mean it's the best or what you're looking for. So sometimes, to save yourself some time and to get more what you're looking for, you can click on the advanced search. And if you've never done it, it's sitting here hidden very subtly below the search button. And if you click on that, you'll see that it puts in Haiti Earthquake 2010, which is a search tool we were using. And you have lots of other choices. You can do ands and ors, which you can do in the regular search if you wanted to as well. You can keep certain words out. But the best things are down here where you can search, for example, by domain. So let's say I'm just looking for official information from the web. So I'm just looking for stuff from government sites. If I type in .gov to search within a domain, what that means is it's only going to bring back results that come from some sort of government website, which would mean it's more official documents, right? So we'll do the search again. And this time we're down to 82,000 hits, which would only take you about 2 months of solid reading, probably. And you'll notice that you've got different .gov, of course, different government sites that come up at the top. But a really cool thing you can do, in addition to that, is you can also search by file type. And that can be really useful if you want to see, for example, government agencies sometimes put out reports on spreadsheets or they put out data. So if you're looking for statistics or numbers, sometimes it's good to search that way. So what you can do is you can go to file type. You see right here it says any format. But you can switch that, and you'll notice it lets you look for PDFs if that's what you wanted to find. You could look for PowerPoints, I don't know why you would, Word documents, or Excel spreadsheets. And this is a way to look and see if a government agency that you cover is keeping any data online. So now what we're doing is we're looking for Haiti Earthquake 2010 just from government websites and federal government websites and just spreadsheets. So we hit advanced search again, and now we're down to only 89 results, which is a little easier for me to check out. And you'll notice the first one is the Federal Procurement Data System, which is pretty cool. What this is the federal agency that purchases. So what we have here, we'll click on it and see what it looks like. It's going to think about it. And think about it. I don't know why that's not there. No. Uh-oh. That's weird. That'll be the first video. Alright, I don't know why that's happening. But that's alright. We'll see if this one's not actually as exciting, but I'll see if it comes up just to show you. I hope we haven't lost the web. Alright. Well, what I was going to show you, we'll have to check in a minute and make sure the thing's not down completely, but for example, when you call this up, and I tested this one the other day just to see how it would work, what you get is you get a list of federal money and projects that have been going to Haiti, which is a pretty cool thing, and then you can look through and see if there's any companies from your area that have been getting money, or you can track where resources are going. And the idea is it's a way to sort of filter through all the other junk and find official sources and things when you're doing searches. So we will minimize this and hope that we are okay. So I talk faster than my slides, I'll warn you. So, all right. So